Hello, my name's John. We're back at the WD. We made some videos last year about firewood, tools, fixtures, types of things. And I forgot to show this one tool that I use a lot in the fall for basically leaves. It's just like a big dustpan for leaves. It's really lightweight. It's got wheels on it. This is like this door skin material and some little like 1x1.5 framework and then a tarp. So I measured the rake and it just kind of fits in there. And then you can kind of shove it in the back. So I guess I'll demonstrate it. We got some leaves here. I like to keep things picked up a bit because we're in wildfire country here in Northern California. About an hour and a half from Sacramento. Anyways, foothills of the Sierras. So, just a simple thing. Get these in here. I'll just do a little bit just to demonstrate. Alright, yeah, we've got a nice pile here of live oak leaves. So then, just pick them up. I made these little wheels out of plywood. They're kind of wobbly now. I figured at some point I'll have to replace them with something a little better. I did put a little bushing in the middle to kind of strengthen it some. And then, okay, so you just dump it in the burn pile and go get some more. All right, get them up the hill.